Hello, in this video we will cover the topic of installing ExactFlat for Rhino 6. To begin, close all copies of Rhino that are currently running. Next, we open our favorite web browser and we enter the download link provided to download the software. We click the download button to download the software to your computer. Next, we double-click the installer to start installing the software. Be sure to read the license agreement before clicking the Accept button. ExactFlat has now been installed. To update the license for ExactFlat, we must start Rhino 6. We now have the ExactFlat toolbar available to us. We can open the ExactFlat License Manager by clicking the certificate icon in the Tools toolbar of the ExactFlat toolbar suite. To submit your license, click the Copy to Clipboard button. This will copy the text of the license to your Windows clipboard. You can then paste this text into an email and send it to support@exactflat.com. We will then update your license and return it to you. Once you have received your updated license, click the Paste from Clipboard button to paste this back into the activation key slot and apply your license.